we got, well, excuse me, I'm sorry. Good morning, y'all. Check this out, look, man. We got another Mazda 3. I think it's a 2015. I'm on my way to Calabasas right now. Hopping on the as we speak. Actually, not sure how long it'll take me to get there, but got a nice little ride in front of me. But all we really going to do today is change the back bumper on that Mazda, paint it. And then once we're done, I'm gonna see what we got after that. We might end up getting another job added to the list, not sure. It's pretty cold today, so we're gonna whip the heat gun out, take our time, try not to get any runs or reactions or anything. Stay tuned and follow me, man. It's up.
People say that it's booming, I'm tempted to go back and fuck with the fool. Wait on my killers to get out of prison in case the niggas don't play by the rules. I can remember when I was just wishing the 30-cent flipper.
Alright, man, we finally made it out here to Calabasas. This is what we're working on today. Gotta get this old bumper off. Probably something I could fix, but I'm not gonna waste the time to try to fix it because I got a new bumper. So put the bump on. If it's not primed already, we're gonna go ahead and prime it, let that dry, put some paint on it, and then, man, we gone. We got the tail lights and the bumper removed. So now the next step we have to do is remove any hardware off of the old bumper, put it on a new bumper, and let's try to get that one mounted back up so we can go ahead and get it prepped up. All right, man, we got the new bumper on. All the bumper parts are in their factory location as well as screws and bolts. All we got to do now is prep it, get it ready for some primer because it didn't come primed. So we're going to go ahead and scuff it up, put some primer on, and get ready to paint. All right, so y'all prepped up. Time to scuff, but I'm gonna wait a little minute. Trying to let this cloud pass. Got a little drizzle coming down. Oh, look at the ghetto bird. Boy, they rolling. I went through all of these. This one's a little too dark. This one's too light, and the pearls are really close. We got a lot of pearls in this one. And this one is just about almost perfect. Just about. I like that one. That's gonna be a good match. All right, man, we got our first coat of seal on. I'm gonna let that flash for a little while. I went on ahead and painted it and put the clear on and everything, so y'all can see the finished product. Told y'all, man, everything I do be glass house. Man, I ain't lying. This is the first time this shit ever done happened to me. So today I'm working at the Cheesecake Factory. I was repairing a car here for an employee that works here. And he was paying. He's like, man, look, I'm gonna run in. I got something for you. So he said, it's a quiet. He said, I don't have enough money to give you a cash tip, but I got something for you. Whole fucking cheesecake, man. I'm going home and fuck this shit up. I ain't lying.